Welcome back to Incredible Machine. Today we are excited to introduce you to an impressive lineup of forestry machinery and their outstanding features. If you are passionate about powerful machines and innovative technology, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any exciting content. Let's explore the wonders of the machine world together right now. The Cranman Bison, with its compact and easy-to-control design, truly serves as a powerful assistant for private forest owners. In the video clip, we can clearly see the efficiency and flexibility of the machine in handling wind-felled trees. Watching how effortlessly the Cranman Bison moves and grabs pieces of wood, one cannot help but be impressed. This is a perfect solution for post-storm cleanup, tree thinning, and managing insect-infested trees. This machine not only saves time and effort, but also brings satisfaction and peace of mind to those working in the forest. With its outstanding power and advanced technology, the feller easily fells large trees, transforming strenuous forestry work into a smooth and efficient process. Witnessing this machine in action, one can't help but feel the remarkable progress in the forestry industry, where humans and machines collaborate to sustainably and effectively conquer nature. The Penosa EPC 400 firewood processor truly makes a powerful impression at first glance. Watching this machine in operation feels like witnessing a perfect blend of speed and power. The EPC 400 cuts and splits wood at a breathtaking pace, turning large logs into small firewood pieces in an instant. It's not just a machine, it's a technological marvel that delivers exceptional efficiency and joy to those working with wood. The emergence of the EPC 400 marks a breakthrough, opening up a bright future for the firewood processing industry. In the breathtaking landscape of the taiga forest in North Karelia, Finland, the JD 1270E IT48WD, with its H414 head and TP roller, is efficiently at work, undeterred by the freezing 0 degrees Celsius temperatures. Its robust operation in such harsh conditions demonstrates the reliability and superior performance of the JD 1270E. This is truly an impressive image of the synergy between humans and machines conquering nature's challenges. A homemade log splitter is being operated by two men, showcasing their skill and technical expertise. This scene exemplifies the power of creativity and teamwork. Under their adept hands, large logs are quickly split into smaller pieces, resulting in high efficiency and time savings. This is truly a wonderful example of do-it-yourself capability and passion for the job. The Albach Diamond 2000, with its 612 horsepower, is powerfully and efficiently chipping bug-infested wood. Lunun Tournament Wedel has chosen the perfect tool to ensure that the infested wood is processed quickly and effectively. The Albach Diamond 2000 truly exemplifies advanced technology, delivering high performance and satisfaction to those working in the forestry industry. The AS630 is showcasing its exceptional power as it processes large logs, effortlessly turning them into small firewood pieces. Watching the machine in action, one can't help but feel impressed and awed. The strength and efficiency of the AS630 make wood splitting faster and simpler than ever before. The John Deere 748G demonstrates exceptional power as it grips and drags freshly felled trees, still covered in branches and leaves, up a slippery slope. Although it appears effortless, the slippery incline nearly caused the machine to tip over. With remarkable agility and control, the machine had to release the logs first, then ascend the slope on its own before pulling the trees up afterward. This is a testament to the perfect blend of strength and technique in logging operations. The Albach Diamond 84 RBZ wood chipper is truly an astonishing heavy-duty machine. With its exceptional power, it effortlessly turns large tree trunks into wood chips in no time. The efficient and robust performance of the Diamond 84 RBZ not only saves time, but also delivers high productivity. This machine is an indispensable tool for those working in the forestry industry, bringing joy and satisfaction as they witness its incredible strength. Amid the majestic scenery of Northwest Oregon, large cedar logs are being skillfully stacked. The expertise of the truck and excavator operators is truly remarkable as they maneuver smoothly and precisely, transforming the heavy labor of logging into an impressive performance. This is a powerful and emotional depiction of perfect coordination in the logging industry. The Vermeer WC 2500 XL is truly an astounding machine when it comes to processing biomass in a single operation. Witnessing its ability to clear land and optimize forest fuel efficiency, one can't help but be impressed by its power and effectiveness. The Vermeer WC 2500 XL not only cleans areas swiftly but also enhances biomass production processes. This is evidence of remarkable advancements in forestry technology, delivering high performance and utmost satisfaction to its users. Thank you for watching the entire video. Click on the suggested videos on the screen to continue exploring more exciting content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. See you next time.